everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited you guys are back on my channel. Today we are going to be making some pumpkin or fall cinnamon sugar tortilla chips, and we're going to be using flour tortillas. So I'll be sharing with you guys all the ingredients that we make and how we make them. They are going to be made in the oven, but it's a quick little recipe that I thought was fun to make, especially since it's fall. So let's just get started. You're gonna need some brown sugar. You're gonna need some flour tortillas. You're gonna need some butter. You're gonna have to melt the butter. You're gonna need some cinnamon. You're gonna need your cookie cutters. So I bought these on Amazon. I'll link down the I'll put the link down in the description box. They were, I believe, $9.99. And then there's some tiny ones, and then there's some like falls right here. There's like a turkey, but it's not Thanksgiving yet, so we're not gonna do that. So yeah, so I have a few of these, so if you guys are interested, just go check out my description box and you'll find the link. We're gonna preheat our oven to 375. Okay, so you're gonna need a cookie baking sheet, and you're going to need some non-stick oven non-stick oven safe parchment paper. Okay, I'm gonna mix this. I don't either use, so you kind of have to press on it hard because so it can cut it. But look how cute these are. Okay, so we're just gonna keep making these. So here's my little sister, and I gave her a tortilla already, a flour tortilla. She's gonna start cutting them out. So on a separate bowl, you're gonna want to melt some butter, or you can even spray cooking spray, but I just wanna add some butter to the tortilla chips. Butter is melted, as you guys can see. You're gonna need one of these so that you can spread the butter on the tortilla. So let me show you guys. we are going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar, and I have it over here, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some. Can you see? Yeah, on both sides, because obviously you want both sides to be nice and coated. And you just want to sprinkle a little bit. You don't want to coat it. There you go. And another one. So let's just keep doing this. I'll have the girls do some and we'll be back. Some canola nonstick cooking spray, and I'm just going to spray it on the nonstick oven safe parchment paper just so that my tortillas won't stick, even though it says nonstick. Okay guys, so my sisters and I just finished putting the coating of the cinnamon and the sugar. So we're going to pop them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, and then we'll check on them and we'll see how they taste. Hopefully they're good. So right when they're getting a little crisp, like brown on the edges, you want to take them out. So I just turned off the oven and I'm gonna let them cool down. Final result. So you guys get some cinnamon sugar covered tortilla chips. It's super easy to make and fun. You can have your siblings, your kids, your whole family doing this. And so let's just taste them to see how they taste. I'm gonna try this leaf one right here. So, oh my god, it's so good, guys. Like, you have to make this. Good. My sisters are in the background waiting to try this. They're so good. They taste like churro. It's not too sweet. It's crunchy. It has a cinnamon flavor, sugar, a little bit of butter. It literally tastes like a churro but chips. But okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this quick little video. Make sure to comment down below if you have tried this or if you're gonna try this with your family. So good. They taste like churros and it's super easy to make. You don't need a lot of ingredients. And don't forget to comment, share, and like, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, guys, always be kind. Bye.